Hey guys, so I know this is a bit of a different type of video that I usually make, but this is kind of like a semi-vlog that I'm deciding to do, and it's all about our Advance Dining Reservation since tomorrow is our 180-day mark. Today is Wednesday, March 7th. 23 in the afternoon or in the evening. I just got off of work. That's why I am in my uniform. But this is the evening before the 180-day mark, and it's kind of like a it all goes down tomorrow night, and I just kind of wanted to take you on this little mini prep, and then as it goes down, what I do and how everything works out. We're not going to be making so many. It's just going to be, I think, 3 this time. Last time we made around 7 or 8 dining reservations. This time it's only 3, mostly quick service is what we're going to be eating at, but we still wanted to have 3 reservations. So last time it was really surprisingly easy for it being my first time getting all the dining reservations on my list. Let's see, I'll link it up here so you guys can see where we dined, but they were all very highly requested places. Right now it is a little bit later than I thought it would be by the time I started to organize myself. It is, let me show you. Right now it is about 10:24 right now, and just now I'm about to start up my computer and log into my touring plans, and I'm going to start actually seeing when are my alleged days of where I'm gonna be dining, on what days and whatnot. I'm just probably not even making sense. It's late and I'm tired. Plus I'm gonna be I want to have it on paper and pen so that I can look at it as I'm doing the reservations online. So I'm gonna go do that right now. What I do here is I write down the day, the time approximately that I'm planning to dine. Don't pay attention to these dates. This is an old planner. So for example, on September 5th, which is going to be a Wednesday, we're planning to eat at Via Napoli around 4:30. And I put around because I'm going to have to be a little bit flexible. If this time is not available, I'm going to have to pick something around that time. And then the next time would be September 7th, which is Friday, for lunch. Be our guest around that time. And last but not least, September 10, Monday, dinner at Ohana around 5. Now here's the tip that I wanted to share with you, because you are required to have a credit card just on file. So in case you don't cancel with enough time, they do charge you around $10 per person if you don't cancel on time. And I remembered that the credit card that they have on file was one that was stolen, so I had to cancel it. So I don't have to do this last minute. Hello everyone, it's been a few seconds in YouTube world. Here it's already 4:50 in the morning, and I hope you can hear me because I'm whispering. Everyone's asleep, including the dog. I don't want to wake everybody up, but I'm all ready. I'm in my computer and my laptop, ready to go. As you can see, a few more minutes to go and we'll be up and running, hopefully, if everything goes well. As you can see, I just got this pop-up, so I'm glad that I started a few minutes beforehand. That way I kind of know what to expect. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. just so that I have the page up and running before everything actually starts. So it's 4:58 right now in the morning, and it's about to be time. I'm going to just refresh. I'm actually going to sign out of my account. I'm actually going to close the page and sign in. It's actually 5 o'clock right now. So let's go check it out, see if I can actually start doing the reservations. Hurry up and do it for September 4, and that's it. And the first day that I want to do is actually the 5th. Why isn't it letting me pick more days? It just doesn't let me. I'm gonna open a new incognito tab and see if that would work. Definitely, the incognito tab worked. So I'm gonna go to my first reservation that I think is hardest. So I'm gonna go to Be Our Guest, and I'm gonna click on it, and I'm gonna search for the 7th, which is a Friday. And I'm gonna, instead of searching for time specifically, I'm just gonna search for lunch, and I'm gonna put party of 3 and just search whatever times they have. I already wrote on my list and went for around 1 because that's what goes for with our plans. And let's see what available times they have. 12:50, 1:10, exactly. I want it at 1:10. I'm waiting for Disney to process that. I'm so nervous. Okay, who will manage the reservation? I will. My dining party, everything's correct. And next, the day before I did everything with my credit card. We got this. Okay, everything is good. I read and I agree and I reserve. All right, I'm waiting for Woody. Okay, so I'm doing Be Our Guest right now, and we got it. Another one. Now we're gonna go do Ohana, which is another hard one to get. That one's for the 10th. And once again, I'm gonna go there and put my date, my party size, and I don't specify the time, I just put dinner. I want it for around 5. I'm gonna put 6:25 because that's the soonest, closest to my time. I had 6:25, 6:45, or 7. I'm gonna put 6:25, and then we're all included there. Everything looks good, and everything looks good there. I'm so excited. I'm getting Ohana, and Ohana is reserved. The last one, which is Via Napoli, and let's get Via Napoli Ristorante e Pizzeria. 30, and there is, I'm gonna put 4:35 because we were looking around 4:30. So when I put dinner, it was way too late. So I put 4:30. I specified the time exactly of what I wanted, and it was better because in that way we actually got the actual time I wanted. So I put September 5th at 4:35. So we're gonna reserve that. Yes, 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 yes. And I think that's it. Those are all the dining ones that we wanted. I decided for Ohana to search if there was a different time. Ideally I wanted one at 5. So I went and I clicked change reservation at 6:25, and they do have earlier times. I'm thinking about changing it to maybe the 5 o'clock or the 5:15. I think I'm gonna change it to the 5:15 and see if that's available. Too late, but I didn't want it too early. Okay, so there you go. I did get it changed. I got it changed for my ideal time. So I got all my reservations. I know they're not a lot this time. If you see my previous video, which I will link here in the video up at the top in the info cards, last time I got about 7 or 8 sit-down reservations. and this time it's only 3. But this time I got them all at almost exactly the time that I wanted them. Pretty excited, and I got them all done in under 10 minutes. And yeah, I can't wait for next time. And when I do the fast passes, I will also be sharing with you when I do the fast passes to see if that interests you and see how that goes. But yeah, wait till next time. And like I always say, keep Disney dreaming.